Hello, my name is Kevin, and I'm the owner of the Kevinator65 channel, and today I'm doing my very first food review, I think. Today, I'm reviewing what are these? I guess, today I'm reviewing the Cardi-B chips, cheddar barbecue flavor. So yeah, let's review it. This is my first chip. Okay. Alright. Pretty good. These are really good. If only they were as good as her music. Yeah, these are really good. I like them. Okay. It's my last chip. Okay. Let me get a napkin. Alright, so what do I think of the Cardi-B chips? Well, they're pretty good. I think you'll enjoy them. You won't enjoy her music, but you'll enjoy these chips. So, yeah, take a good look at these. Yeah, and Cardi-B chips. Cheddar barbecue flavor is the one I had today. I'm gonna finish the bag off screen, so yeah. You can get the chips, just don't listen to her music. That's my advice. See you in the next video.